Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to stir fry some glass noodle. I have some glass noodle here. What I normally like to do is I like to soak it under hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, so that it's already becoming like 80% cooked, so that later it's much easier to get it cooked. So then let's look at the ingredient. Now there's no rule as to what you want to put, what you can put inside your glass noodle. Today I'm going to put in some lapchong, or I think either lapchong or siu yok, and also char siu will be very nice to go together with glass noodle. And then I have some spring onion. I have you can use 1 or 2 pieces of egg here. I'm cooking for 2 adults, by the way, today. I have some minced garlic, dried shrimp, and also shallot. The dried shrimp, I rinse it. Alright, so get ready a wok. We're going to put in some oil and heat it up. We'll come back shortly. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the shallot, garlic, and also dried shrimp. Let's saute this about 1 minute before we continue. This is even less than 1 minute, very fast. The garlic, everything started to brown. I'm pushing this aside. I'm going to put in some of the lapchong. Give the egg a little bit of light soy sauce. So we can brings everything together. Now we can actually put in the soaked glass noodle. Let me tune down the fire a little bit. We're going to give it some seasoning. First of all, some light soy sauce, some black pepper, a bit of oyster sauce. This is optional if you ask me. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Optional also. A bit of fish sauce. Today I would like it to make it a little bit darker color, so I will add in some dark soy sauce here. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Nice thing about tung hoon, glass noodle, is that it doesn't break. So it's very easy, much easier to stir fry as compared to bee hoon. There's some water going in together with the tung hoon just now. That's why you see the liquid, the moisture there. Wow, really fragrant. As you can see, the liquid is getting lesser and lesser. Now all getting nicely absorbed by the tung hoon. Almost done. Some spring onion. And let's give it last few stir. And our fried tung hoon is ready. I would like to give my tung hoon a little bit wet, yeah? Ooh, really nice. Done. This is how simple it is. Now you can top it out with some white pepper towards the end. Optional. Right, done.